right, hang in there. I'm gonna help you.
Shh, it's okay. I know it hurts, but I'm gonna help you. It's bleeding too much. What do I do? What do I do? It's okay, you're gonna be okay. Stay warm.
Please hurry, he's barely breathing and the rain is getting worse. Are you almost here?
Okay. You're coming for us. You're so brave.
Easy now, let me take a look. He's very weak.
He's barely moving. Will the wounds be all right?
Dehidrasi parah.
It's okay, little one. You're gonna be all right. Just hang in there.
I'm worried about the infection spreading.
It's an early infection. We will manage it with antibiotics.
It's okay, little one. You're doing so well.
Almost done, almost done.
Is he gonna be okay? He's so cold.
His temperature is low. We need to warm him up slowly.
He threw it all up.
It's all right. Let me check him over.
Just use this one for now. It's medicated and very gentle on his skin, especially near the stitches. Keep the area clean and make sure to change the bandages every day. Call me immediately if there are any changes.
He still needs the antibiotics, but I promise we'll keep taking care of him.
He's looking much better. Just keep him rested and follow the dosage.
It's okay, sweetie. Almost done now.
He did very well. The medicine is all in. That's it, sweetie. You're doing so well. Look at you go. Look at him go. That is wonderful progress. He's doing so well.
I'm happy to report that he has made a full recovery. The scar looks great, and he's free to go.